Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Builderall account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PDF document into your Builderall course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PDF document into your Builderall course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes you're going to provide a PDF. It could be a checklist or some sort of a recipe to help your student study or understand what you're teaching. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Builderall, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a PDF document into one of your courses, here on the left side, you're going to click on Build. It looks like a little light bulb. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here on Build a Course. Once you're there, you're going to see all the courses you're selling. So go ahead and choose the course that you want to add a PDF into. So for example, this one, and click on the pencil icon. All right, once you do that, off to the left, you're going to click on Course Content. Okay, so here you're going to see all the modules, and then inside the modules, you'll see all of the lessons. So if you're going to add a PDF document, it's going to be handled in the lesson level. So for example, right here on tacos, maybe I want to add an ingredient list as a PDF document. So here next to tacos, I'm going to click on the pencil icon. All right, once you do that, you'll see this menu on the top, and you want to click on content. Once you're here in content, you're going to choose the content type as PDF file. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and grab a PDF from your desktop. Okay, grab the PDF, and then it immediately uploaded, and then you want to click on Save Change. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, anytime somebody goes into my tacos lesson, they're going to be able to see the PDF document that we uploaded. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect a PDF document into your Builderall course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.